voice not loud in my head. They tell me stories that never happened. I learned today they're just ideas. Not every thought deserves my fears.
Slow breath in, slow breath out. My heart learns what comes about when my body feels safe again. My mind slows down, I feel okay.
Free your mind, one step at a time, one step at a time. I'm not broken, I'm just learning. Free your mind, free your mind, free your mind, free your mind. Breathe it out, you'll be just fine. Anxiety ain't who you are. Free your mind, free your mind.
I used to worry every day, the same old fears on replay. But habits fade when you don't feed them. New paths grow when you believe them.
Tomorrow hasn't even come. Yesterday is already done. Right now is
where my power stays.
this moment is a safer place. Free your mind, one step at a time, one step at a time. I'm not broken, I'm just learning. Free your mind, free your mind, free your mind, free your mind. Breathe it out, you'll be just fine. Anxiety ain't who you are. Free your mind, free your mind. Talk to yourself like a friend. Healing takes time, don't rush the end. You don't need to win every fight, you just need rest tonight. I can choose peace, even small. I don't have to think it all. It'll come grows day by day. I'm finding light along the way. Free your mind, one step at a time, one step at a time. I'm not broke, I'm just learning.